Every now and again, you come across a product that just makes you feel smart while using it. Well, I think this is one of those products. Let me show you exactly how it works. So this is obviously a seed word storage device, and since it's metal, it's fireproof, it's chemical proof, it's waterproof, it's tear proof. It is a great way to store words, except you don't store words. You actually have a binary system here of numbers, and you can do 12 words or 18 words or 24 words as long as you know the number system. And here's what the number system is. This is following the BIP 139 word list. If you lose this manual, by the way, it's no big deal. You can download this off of the website. You just search BIP 139 word list and it's all over the place. So here's how it works. Let's say your very first word is abandon of your seed phrase. You're going to punch the first of the series of dots and that's it. And there's no other word with that number sequence in it. If you're number, let's see here, word 588, let's say your next word is enact. You're going to skip the first two, you're going to punch the next two, skip the next two, punch it, skip the next two, punch one, leave one undone, and that will be the word enact from here on into eternity, according to the 2,048 words on the BIP 139 list. Now, I'm not going to punch my words on here because that would be foolish, but I do want to show you how it works. They give you this really cool punch tool. Now, this is not something that you lay on here and then hit it with a hammer. It's actually all included. So check this out. Let me practice on the side here because I don't want to show you my word. You're going to grab it. You're going to get it completely vertical. See right there, it's flush. There's no markings on there. I'm going to come in here and I'm going to press down. And there's a spring inside and it's going to pop. And if you look right there, it has made an indentation. So the idea is you come over here to word number 1. This whole line is for word number 1. And let's just say you were going to punch the first one. You would line it up and there's a little dot there to help you find the center. You're going to hold it vertically and then you're going to punch down. And then let's say you're going to skip a couple and then you're going to do the third one. Then you do the same thing and you do that whole line. And just for math's sake, the first line is worth 1, the second line is worth 2, then 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, and then 1024. You do the math on it. There's only one word that meets each of those requirements, and then you'll know what your word is, and then you'll move forward. So it's so cool. It's so small. Again, it's waterproof, it's fireproof, it's chemical proof. It's just a great way of keeping your words secure. And I just think this punch thing is just so cool. Look at that. That's so cool. All right, so great reviews, super affordable. Everything is included. There is a tamper-proof sticker. There's a screw right here that once you get your words in there and you close it up, you can put the screw right there and screw it down with the screwdriver. After you're done with your words, I would throw this away. In fact, right here it says, please burn after use. And then put this in a very safe place because this is your seed phrase. And this is peace of mind. And this is high quality and super affordability and just super cool. I mean, even people who have been around Bitcoin for a long time don't fully understand what BIP 139 is. And this just lays it all out. It's not confusing, but it's super cool. All right, hope that helps. Did get this from the manufacturer. They sent it to me, and I am so appreciative that they did. This is my honest review, though they did send it to me for free. I will absolutely buy one of these if needed because, again, it's small, it's affordable, and it accomplishes the job. Well done. Very nice. Very impressed. All right, hope that helps. Take care.